take my man to the bristle, head to the whistle. I'm so official, all I need is a whistle.
We got a Forge Sano Sony amplifier that's running 2 pairs of 6x9 MB cords, 6.5 Kenwood, 6.5 coaxial, and that's the D-Class by Sony. That's in Rockford Fosgate Marine subwoofers in a custom built box that's what we actually cut for these 619s. We cut for the 6.5. The stereo was custom installed as well. We cut for it. That's a custom dash kit. That's a marine waterproof. And here we go, the rest of the speakers. That's another pair of 6.5. The 6x9.